I don't think so. I mean, we sold 2 assets yesterday out of the British Land Pref Fund to a major US private equity group who purports to target a 20. I think, maybe 2 dynamics happen. Maybe opportunistic funds, are not underwriting to 20, 25s anymore. They're probably underwriting to 16, 17s. Is that gross? Is that net of fees? Who knows? So I think opportunistic investors' return expectations are falling, as they should if interest rates in the Eurozone are 5 basis points. The core players, the REITs, are probably underwriting to a 8, 10, 8. So I think I'm not really answering the question, but I think there's room for everybody, to be honest, at the moment in Spain. Portugal, I think tougher. You're probably not going to get the core guys playing in Portugal because it's too small a market. And then Italy, Allianz has bought in Italy. Major REITs have bought in Italy. Orion's bought in Italy. Bentinelli have bought in Italy, and they're probably all still going to buy. I think there's room for everybody, personally. And then it's going to be your business plan and what you buy, and how close the lease events are. Are you going to refurbish? Very good point that a lot of the assets are pretty old. So you do have structural obsolescence in some of these retail assets and retail parks and shopping centres, particularly.
I think when we
it's complex.
When we are doing process and we have a good visibility of different bids, it is a fact that when it is pure standing investment, no leases, etc., I think the cap is minimal. You will get offers within a 5% range at most. When you have, it will be interesting now that we are going to put in the market Castellana 77, which is a Castellana asset, but it is a redevelopment. Okay. So there, we will see in play the different underlying assumptions for fundamentals, and I think there is more of a gap. I mean, there are people that are more conservative, and they play well. Yes, we are in a growth track. It will be slow and relatively painful still. And I think there are people that are saying, well, because of some structural reasons and because of obsolescence and because of the amount of equity, etc., there's going to be a push, which is going to be strong and it's going to be fast, and then maybe moderate. And that will mean, probably, and it's happening already in some offers that we are receiving, that maybe there we will see 15% range between highest bid and lower bid, which is normal.